Guys, today we're diving into the latest innovation from Rogbid, the Model R smartwatch. Now, this device is making waves as the company's first 4G Android smartwatch with a built-in camera, SIM slot and powerful battery. The Rogbid Model R is more than just a timepiece. It's a feature-packed wearable that keeps you connected on the go. So let's take a look at what this smartwatch has to offer. Back in a few seconds. What's up YouTube, Dave here for See Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, this is the Model R smartwatch from Rogbid. Now, if you don't know Rogbid, they make a ton of different smartwatches to suit a wide variety of needs. Now, before we get into it, Rogbid sent me this Model R smartwatch to review in exchange for my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get this out of the box and see what we have. So guys, open up the box and we have the watch itself. Now, I'm just going to pop that down for a few seconds and we'll get back to it. Now, we have a metal strap. I mean, that's a nice touch. I like the rubber strap that's fitted, but having a choice of different straps is nice, and having it included is very nice. Then guys, we have a tool to change the strap. We have a charging pad, which, you know what, I'm not a fan of proprietary chargers, but it's pretty much the norm these days on these types of devices. And then guys, we have a little piece of plastic, probably to help with removing the SIM tray, and we have some instructions and a screen protector. And let's face it, this is a pretty big screen. So guys, looking at this Model R, and immediately you can see it has a premium design, which feels as good as it looks. With a metallic chassis and a circular 1.85-inch display, this smartwatch stands out with its sleek and modern looks. The display boasts an HD resolution of 400 by 400 pixels and a 98% RGB color gamut, delivering vibrant colors and sharp visuals. On the right side, you'll find two physical buttons with a 2-megapixel camera placed between them. Yes, a camera, right? And this camera isn't just for show. It can take photos, record videos, and even scan QR codes, making it a versatile tool for everyday use. And let's face it guys, you're not going to get that on an Apple Watch anytime soon. The Model R also sports IP67 certification, meaning it's dust and water resistant, so you don't have to worry about getting it damaged during your daily activities. Now guys, one of the standout features of this Rogbid Model R is its connectivity options. As I said, this bad boy comes with a built-in SIM slot compatible with all nano SIMs, allowing you to stay connected independently of your smartphone. Whether you're making calls, sending messages, or using mobile data, the Rogbid Model R has you covered. Also guys, the integrated microphone and speaker, you know what, when I was using this to make and take calls, it was really clear. Plus, with the built-in GPS, you can track your location and routes in real time without relying on your phone. This is especially handy for outdoor activities like hiking, running, cycling, whatever. Now guys, under the hood, the Model R is powered by a quad-core processor paired with 3 GB of RAM, ensuring smooth and responsive performance. With 32 GB of internal storage, there's plenty of space to download apps from the Google Play Store, which incidentally runs on Android 8.1 right out of the box. This smartwatch isn't just for notifications, it's a fully functional Android device on your wrist, and that opens up a lot of functionality. Now, apart from notifications and other features, most of us look to our smartwatches for health and fitness tracking, and this is where the Rogbid Model R truly shines. It comes with a heart rate monitor, an SpO2 sensor, and blood pressure monitoring capabilities. These sensors also provide comprehensive health insights, enabling you to track your wellness throughout the day and the night. The Model R also supports multiple sports modes, making it easy to monitor your performance during various physical activities. Whether you're into running, cycling, or even yoga, the Rogbid Model R has a mode that fits your needs. And with its long-lasting 1100 milliamp battery, you can count on it to keep up with you even during those extended workouts. Plus guys, you also get NFC support, which allows for quick and easy payments or device pairing. And of course, the usual suite of notifications to keep you connected to your apps and messages. So guys, there you have it. If you're looking for a smartwatch that combines style, connectivity and powerful health features, and you don't want to break the bank, the Rogbid Model R could be your next smartwatch. With its 4G capabilities, built-in camera and comprehensive health tracking, this smartwatch goes beyond the basics to offer something truly special. And guys, at the time of this video going live, you can grab this bad boy for only $79.99, not pounds, dollars, which is reduced from the regular price of $159.99. And that is a bargain. Guys, I'll leave any product links and any further discount codes in the description. And if you have any questions or comments, then please leave them below. And guys, if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon so you can be notified of new video. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks for Rogbid for sending me this very cool smartwatch to review. Guys, I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.